The story revolves around Shania, a city-bred brat, who is quick to judge the newcomer, Meenal, a countryside girl. Shania and her friends look down upon Meenal for her simple looks and dressing sense. Let's see how Meenal proves her mettle to them over a period of time. At Shania's house. How was the first day of school?
Okay. No lessons. Just settling in.
Any new girls in your class?
Only one. Meenal. And she is funny.
Why do you say that?
She can't speak much English. She had come from another state.
Oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. They are specially good at maths.
Well, this one does not seem smart at all. Oily hair, bindi and all. And do you know how she speaks? Good morning, teacher.
I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Meenal.
Let's see.
Shania and her gang had decided to do just that. Next morning, the minute Meenal entered the class, they all chorused.
Good morning.
Poor Meenal. She did not realize that they were making fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied.
Good morning.
Neha giggled.
Why do you put so much oil in your hair?
She asked rudely. Meenal looked offended but did not reply.
And the skirt? So long.
Meenal flushed. She was about to say something when teacher entered. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Meenal raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question.
Madam, can I?
Yes, Meenal, you answer.
Meenal answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. When Shania recounted this at home, sounds like a clever girl, her mother said.
What is the use? Her English is so atrocious.
The same may be said of your Hindi. That night Shania's parents discussed the matter. I am getting quite sick of Shania's attitude.
We put Shania into a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning into quite a little snob.
The following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. Shania, who was participating in the English song category, was surprised to see Meenal's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category.
Oily Plates sings also.
Crooks, you mean?
They were to be proved wrong. Meenal sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Shania and her gang had decided to jeer when Meenal sang, but there was such absolute silence, they did not dare to. They were sure to get caught. When Meenal finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teachers and students. No one was surprised when Meenal won the first prize. Shania did come first in her category. Somehow, she felt no joy. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Meenal was a bright child. She was quiet, studious and intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. Her forte was mathematics. Her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics. Help which she readily and cheerfully gave. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. Now girls from the class also befriended her. One day Meenal felt bad about Shania's behavior. She was on the verge of tears when Shania mocked at her mercilessly because she said, "Ask" instead of "ask." Her voice trembling, Meenal said,
I know my English is weak. Yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? I won't be able to help you, my dear. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified types.
That was horrid, Shania.
Yes. Shania was shocked. Her own friends had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. Mrs. Sen found her subdued over lunch but decided not to ask anything. Shania knew that she had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it even to herself.
Great video. Mom,
Yes.
I found a good channel for study.
Great, like the video, share it to your school friends, subscribe to it, but what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.